Right, where are you three off to?
Dubai!
Oh my god.
We're currently at the airport right now. Hey P. Oh, you look nice. So yeah, we're currently at the airport now. It's my birthday in like 2 days. We're going to Dubai. Say hey. Hello. Yeah, I want to show you my face properly when I have the whole look, but this is the airport fit. I'm loving it. And look at how it matches. Hold on. See the forces? Yeah. Drip sir. So guys, they're obviously forcing me to drink, which I don't want to do this.
Guys, she's the big mad, not the small
big
one.
Big mad, big 23.
So here we go.
Anyway,
guys.
show them your airport fit. Cheese! Cheese! Oh, girls look so pretty. Anyways, so we're just coming to get a drink now. So, yeah, get our drinks. Show them your drink. Yeah. Oh, this is P squared, my 2 P's, Paige and Professor. Yeah.
Hey. Right, where are you three off to?
Dubai.
Oh my god.
Here you go.
Sorry. We're on the plane now.
On the plane now, guys.
You look so good.
The next stop is...
Only the rook can relate. At the top, you don't care about your view. Fuck them pictures, I'm all about you. Why do you treat me the way that
Guys,
you do?
so we've just arrived in Dubai. Hey girls, how we feeling? Great. We feeling amazing. Oh my gosh, our hotel. Guys, this is the hotel we're staying at. And look at this princess treatment already, collecting all our bags, taking it to our room. I can't wait to show you the room. Guys, it's so hot. Look at all of us basically in tracksuit attire. I'm boiling. We're literally just getting ready to go to the mall real quick. This is meant to just be like a light beat, 5-minute makeup. But yeah, I can't wait to show you my outfit. Ooh. But yeah, you know, big 23, not the little one, period. We'll probably show you our outfits properly outside. Cheers, girlies. So guys, we're literally on our way to Dubai Mall now. Can't wait to show you my hot outfit. Hey girls, say hey. Say hey to the vlog. We are at Dubai Mall. I don't know why I'm speaking like that. Fit for the day.
Let me show you guys the fit.
A long dress. Oh yeah.
Let's show you guys the fit. Where's
Wait,
the camera?
do it like this. Okay.
Here's the fit, guys.
So,
look at her.
The dress. Ooh.
Period.
And then do yours. Go. Yeah. Ooh. Paige, go. Simple, baby. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you. Guys, this looks so good. I just want to show you our room. It's so pretty. This is so cool. P, I see you. I see you, P. Ski. Let's check out the Dubai Mall of all the things that I'm going to buy the girls. What do you want today?
I want a Gucci bag.
It looks so disgusting.
behind the scene, perfect.
Can you even see it?
This is the one that you should strangle, the one that has mucus. They look like piranhas, are these not piranhas?
Can you even see it?
Yeah, I told you it's piranha.
Well done.
Madam, come this way all together.
I can't do it, you see? Every time I walk on this, I take a deep breath and I just prefer to stay here, but they don't. Guys, it looks so cool though. And do you know what this evil girl did? She just pushed me. She pushed me.
Let me show you guys if she doesn't want to give you the full view.
Yeah, let me do it.
Look how high we are, guys.
And look at me.
Let's go. Who's next?
Okay, hold it for me.
Have a seat, please. You can come there, please. Make a cue. It's fine. No worries. Okay, and there is a camera now. So. Yeah, you're next. You can come in here. You're moving left. All right. Well, now, what is presented when you mean now? Okay. With the both hand, please. Push yourself up. Push yourself. All right. Just listen me, please. Just listen me. Hold it with the one hand. We are going to push you, all right? Get ready now. Ready. What was the next?
So all inclusive, obviously in our, this wristband means we get access to everything, so super duper cool. So we're just at the buffet, we're gonna eat, waiting for P, she's getting her food first, and then we're going out for my birthday.
I think you didn't bring my food, you made my hand.
This girl is a real princess.
We're leaving, man.
Bye.
You're gonna be with me guys today. So they like to be boring and do nothing. So we're gonna go to the bar. Follow me to the bar, guys. Ooh, that man is delectable.
This
And everyone starts wishing you happy birthday, happy birthday.
This is the fit for my birthday.
No, I have to shoot it. Look at her.
Oh, damn.
Okay, pretty baby. Look at her, look at her. Celeb.
Want an autograph thing?
Celeb.
What am I doing?
Go bitch.
Full of it.
Go bitch. Hey. Guys, look at my bad bees. No, Paige is too funny. Guys, we saw some girls dressed in a very inappropriate way and they were not allowed inside.
We're not allowed inside?
No.
Anyway, that's at home. So you come correct.
And this piano. So swear.
Can't believe these chicks.
Yo, Vanessa got the sauce.
Eating this shit. I'm eating this shit. Look.
I get it now. I get why the TikTok girlies were going crazy.
Yes, this is for you. Guys, it's my birthday. So, look at where we are today. We are at the Aura Pool. They even gave us goodie bags. They're treating us so nice here.
Party bag.
Like, already so much princess treatment. Guys, look at the view. P's gonna get in there and she's gonna show you guys the whole view.
This is the view. This is the pool. And then this is the view from the pool. It's beautiful. So beautiful. There were the girlies. Hi to the vlog, guys.
This is gonna be so fun. We feel like we are lavish queens. Let me just show you the whole place. So that's like outside. He's out there. It's moving now. We're gonna go upstairs soon. Yeah, go on, Paige. It's like our little living room area. It's so cute. It has like carpet and everything. It's like a little kitchen or whatever in here. And yeah, this is really giving. It's so cool in here for the aircon. I literally want to drive the boat. This looks so cool. Literally looks like I'm driving it. And I'm guessing these are like the toilets. I want to be nosy and open doors. But yeah.
I can't believe these chicks.
Having a whole private yacht all to yourself.
I can't believe these chicks. Lean this shit. I'm leaning this shit.
Guys, big P
So we got a little note on our door. It says, "Dear Marilyn Maddie, greetings of the day. Kindly provide this card to serve at the restaurant at the time of the dinner for a complimentary birthday cake." Complimentary birthday cake.
Let's see what they did.
And they said, "Alhamdulillah."
If it's not. Happy birthday to
No, but guys, they tried. They added a little design on the bed, and then they gave a little. It's even plastic. It's even plastic.
This is so cute then.
No, this is cute though. They actually tried.
They tried.
With last minute notice, they tried.
They even did that. Oh, look at the mess.
Oh, they're so cute, guys. Look at them. They tried, man.
You are ops.
Get man down, split like Kanye West.
Oh my god. Wait, what? She was singing 3 different drill songs in one. She thinks she is, bro. When the gun is in my hand, I'm gonna think I'm unstoppable. No one's gonna chat shit to me. Bow, bow,
You
bow.
gotta think about your ops, guys. You gotta think about your ops.
Guys, imagine we get the paper and we do not hit the target whatsoever. Like, Willie and me, don't focus on this at all. Just focus on what we've got going on here. Because here, you're even laughing. See, the strangers are even laughing at me. He's even laughing at me. How dare he? Anyways, just focus on the middle. That's what we care about. They're laughing at me. All of them are laughing at me. But just focus in the middle. Exactly.
Hand me your pages.
But yeah, they did well. Show me your...
Pages, no white.
This is Paige. And Paige has no white, basically. Yeah, listen, tell our ops that we're ready for them. Maybe not me, but my P squared.
You stay indoors.
Jump up out the bed like I'm possessed. I go walk.
Guys, we're back from the shooting range. When I tell you everyone in this place is just always staring at us. Yeah. Like from day one, we walk in there staring at us. But right now, because we're all like coordinated.
Peace.
Oh, here she is. What, me? Oh, P's here. They're looking at us like we're just coming from war. Yeah, we are coming from war. It's been a long shift and I want my food. But anyways, here's our dinner for today. All inclusive. Pizza and Chinese. What are you gonna do? You can't kill me. Do you know what I mean?
And bread.
Guys, every night at breakfast, lunch and dinner, Paige gets bread. Like, she's obsessed with bread and butter. South, we don't do that in South East. Do we do that, Pete? Do we eat bread and butter?
Bread and butter.
It's hard work. So we're gonna have a nap and then get ready to go to the club. I'm passed out. The other one is telling me, Maylin, pray for me. I cannot pray for you. God is not gonna help me. God is not gonna help me. God is not gonna help you people. Anyway, me, I just finished having a nice nap. HABIBTI, come to Dubai.
Hot dog and asleep.
Mom.
You should have been at the bar.
No, lick me at the bar.
We made friends with Americans. Said,
one cocktail turned to two cocktails.
We're from Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. Marilyn, we saw one girl. She's like, baby, you say.
Baby, baby.
She looks exactly like her.
She's just like her.
Really?
Shit, man.
She looks exactly like her.
Wow.
One leg boy. I said,
fuck, let me steal your man.
Take him away from me.
He should have been with me.
Should have been me.
Nah,
He's
you
there
guys.
He's there doing. I said, shit,
Didn't even drink the cocktail.
We had to get a couple drinks before. Everyone cheers me. Clink, clink. Best holiday ever.
Look at the driver. Look at the driver drinking. Don't drink and drive, guys. We're not containing drink and drive.
Yeah, so we're going on a jet car, and I'm gonna be in charge of driving it. Drive the boat, jet ski, bikini fit. You know, I wanted to go with the theme. Do you see what I mean? Everything is coordinated. Hey, show them your outfit.
This girl thinks that we're all midgets. If you don't put it up here.
I'm too tall for that. Ooh. Okay.
With the matching bag, are you peeping the details with the
Exactly.
Come on.
Period. Oh yeah, Paige, next. Show them your outfit.
Just wait. You just wait.
Yeah, wait till she turns around.
Yay!
Honestly. Today, how do we feel, girls? Exciting. Exciting. Guys, yeah, this is it. Let my bae forgive me. I've just been flirting with the worker here. I said, HABIBTI. He
said you hit my ass direct. I said yes.
He was so dramatic. He was like, baby, you hit my heart direct. Listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. Now he said, extra 5 minutes in our jet car. Look at it. Ooh.
We're here to live life, guys.
Literally.
Top life.
You gotta, exactly. Guys, it's jet car time. Dun, dun.
This one after.
Yeah, it comes out. Yeah.
Okay. Yalla Coco. Yalla Lulu, ready?
Yeah.
Twin bitches, hopping off a jet ski.
Okay, grab.
Twin bitches, hopping off a jet ski.
Okay. ما بتفهمش. Stop.
Twin bitches, twin Drakes, twin Glock, twin jets, charter planes.
It's okay then?
Yeah, thank you.
Not together. Relax. Hey.
Throw till she tear, I'm a favorite beverage. Ran out of time, made 10 APs, man, I can't retire. Been on the road, collect.
Bad bitches in Dubai. My hair is off. Do you like her hair? How How was it? The jet ski was crazy. It was so fun.
It was really good.
Now we're going to the beach, but obviously this girl was like, "Can we go to the bar?" And here we are.
Look at her.
Here we are.
Look at the coast.
Just bombarding people with camera.
Honestly, everyone's thinking, "Get out of my face." And the water children wait in the water. Anywhere Paige can sing, she would just sing. This girl. Guys,
Beat the beats.
you need to stand up for this one. This is not a... Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Freaking girl.
Yeah. So as you can tell, her theme is gold. Look at her, Miss Richie. HABIBTI come to Dubai. Then we have my second heifer. My baddest heifer's on the floor. As in, she has to stand up and show you the whole thing. Yeah. Wow. Period. Cute. Look at the toes. And then the one and only is Marilyn Body. She's a baddie. Period. Okay, girl. Give them a spin.
Give them. Come on, seniors.
Guys, we have 10 minutes.
To down drinks. Okay.
I know you fly, but I can take you higher. From here to the ocean, now she be fine. Oh no.
Escalator no more. Oh, okay, they're advanced.
It was for you to step in. Give it environmental.
Honestly.
It doesn't waste
Yeah, don't waste energy. Honestly.
They
So
don't
the
waste energy.
escalators work when it's time to work.
When you step on it, it comes on.
We're about to see what this club is saying. Even red carpet on the outside. The man just looked at me and said, "What's your name?" No, the lady said, "What's your name?" I said, "My name is Marilyn." She said, "Come."
Yeah, don't come to
They
Dubai if you
told
don't have pretty
us
privilege.
500 dirhams to enter this place. And we're gonna see what is really 500 about this place. Just because we look good. Look at us. That's what they said we can enter. What the hell? Nah.
I can't believe these chicks.
Way nice.
Yo, Vanessa got the sauce.
We are so fine that they personally invited us to the rappers VIP. We said we don't want to be there, we want to have fun.
Honestly,
And we don't have to be bougie babes. I want to be me.
Night was a success. Maddie is all drunk. We hit the club.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Wagwan.
Hey, HABIBTI.
Wagwan.
Hey, HABIBTI.
Hey. I said, where you from?
London, period.
Where are you from?
I'm from London too, yeah?
Where in London?
I'm from London too, yeah. So anyways, guys, night was such a success. It was good. It was so great. It was good. So good. Look at the red carpet. It was amazing. We made a new friend.
Sometimes it was even plastic.
HABIBTI.
Yeah, someone's probably gonna know me on here.
Oh shit! Celeb.
When you're ready, I'm gonna go, yeah? What? Already? This is so lit. Yeah.
Well done. Carry your dress and go.
Carry my dress and go. I need to show you the girls. I need to show you the girls because they look so beautiful. This girl loves bread and she's forcing us to do bread. Look at this.
Wow. Wow. It's even plastic, guys.
Literally.
It's even plastic.
Exactly. So, just in the snack bar. Here is my little outfit. Thank you.
Oh, the light is right there.
You know, you always can go with the lights in the air.
Yeah.
So this is like
Yeah.
yeah. Little tight skirt.
It's giving it a body. Good again. Good again. You knew it was coming.
Literally.
Maybe a fatty. It's even for free.
Honestly, literally. For the free?
I'm not having to pay for this every day. I think I'll try.
Imagine. So, obviously, welcome to Dubai. Yeah.
Care, it's all I be hurt, but the pain in the vocal. I got money, still try to be noble.
She's so pretty, guys. Look at her.
To look how beautiful Nani's getting the light. Come. Girls, my girls are so sexy. Yes. And comfy. Big P, not the little one. Stand here. Big P, not the little one. Yeah. Yeah. Stress-free life.
Amen.
Cheers to stress-free life. Cheers. Look how one is even going.
Darling.
Cheers. Cheers, my darling. Ooh. It just wrapped us. Desert day. Guys, drive round and come back. Go. This is so scary. Thank you.
Okay, lucky chair, excuse me.
Is that you one?
Hold tight, lean back, okay?
Lean back.
Hold tight, lean back.
Lean back.
Lean back.
Lean back. Whoa! Jesus! What the hell is going on here, man? What the fuck is going on? Lean back! Lean back! Whoa! No. That is too funny.
With the dates. Okay, up to you.
Tea. Can we have tea? I want tea.
No, it's coffee, not tea.
Okay, come with me. I'll get you the table.
So, guys, we're gonna have some dinner today. Yeah, I don't know how to wrap
Why do you guys
this.
still want it? Everybody else, just us.
I'm Egyptian, I need it.
You are now claiming Egyptian.
Skill. So they have henna, shisha. As soon as they told me that there's shisha there, I was like,
let me rant to you for
yeah,
a quick
let her
second.
rant.
Yeah. You know what boss man did to me? I said, boss, I don't want to go down this side. I don't want to go down this side.
It's even plastic.
It's even plastic. If I didn't have a man now, what would I do? I had to cry to my man. I said, oh my God, sweetie, babe, it broke my nail.
And he was like, don't worry, baby.
How much to fix it? This life, don't be single.
Now that we have babes, we can laugh at you. No. When we were single, we wouldn't open our mouths.
I would cry in silence at the back of that van. I said, baby, I'm sad.
Honestly.
Baby, I'm sad. Guys, let me show you the video of me falling. I can't lie.
I took one as well, but I was like, let me.
Don't you dare post that.
I did it. I was like, well, I was about to. Then when he became angry, I said, when we laugh about this later, I'll post it. But for now, let me give her time.
And I fell down. plank. And I even laid on the floor. And I stayed there. And I
When we stayed there, I said, yeah, this is her sliding down the wall. She's done. She's done.
I'm finished. I had to stay there. I said, the one thing about me, when I fall, I'ma stay. Let me see the one that you got.
Oh. You're gonna hate my one because I was laughing hard until.
You know what?
Trust me, I could hear her laughing when I was on the floor.
Look, I couldn't breathe. Ready?
I missed it. Big P is not so
Oh, wait, hold on.
No, that's it, because I showed you the phone. I missed it.
No, I need the beginning.
I missed it.
Oh, wait.
She fell down. She fell down.
Wait, this is on the phone, hold on.
Wait.
It's in my own phone.
Oh, wait, she's got.
It's a spin. How?
Guys, I felt like I was on a roller coaster.
Honestly.
I said what? And it was going so smoothly. All of a sudden.
She just went.
I just went. When they pulled the bird, you get it, okay?
Guys, we're hitting the club again. We're so sad we're leaving tomorrow. Like, this is so terrible. What are we gonna do?
Monday actually went like. I was it was Monday, everyone was like, yeah, we got 3 days.
Come. We have to see the beauty.
Okay, everyone go one by one. Go. Bad B number 1. Enter. Bad B number 2. Enter. Bad B number 3. Come. Not the little one. And the big one. Kazi. Hey, Kazi. What do you have to say to them? Sis, my sister. Oh. Say cakey. I got it. Big T, not the little one. Yeah, star girl, golden girl. Big man's not the little one. The one and only Chicky Ricky. Thank you, babe. Did you do it?
Every time I see that.
I'll take the cake. The whole outfit. Big man's got the little one.
Look, I can't believe these chicks. You bring out a whip, they're ready to strip. And I can't believe this shit. I took a sip of this lean, I'm bleeding and shit. I know she thinks she's smart, but I see right through her like a polo. I just hit them past, and I know them man hurting. Why? Cause